do you got in here now?
Same thing.
Surprised you haven't sold them yet.
No one will buy them.
Sell them to this guy. He's got 2. Landon, buy his subs.
I've been trying, but I need to save money. I've actually been talking to him about it. I want them, but you gotta send me drop them, so maybe I'll know. We'll see what happens. He still has them.
Yeah, no one will buy them.
If you have 4, then you got 2. What ohm load? Are they the same ohm load?
Mine are dual 4.
Yours are dual 2s?
I think so.
What, I forgot what they are.
They're XFLs.
XFL.
Yeah.
The only problem is I'd have to go in sideways and lay my seat down. That'd be the only way it'd fit in my Equinox. I'd have to reroute my amp somewhere else.
No Rockville.
Official qualifying scores.
And you got a 46?
146.0.
Can't believe I remember that.
This is a retry for Mr. Keyface. This score is higher than the previous score.
What are you going to get after you get rid of these?
2 GSS X400 18s. And I run a Smart 5 to them.
That'll get it.
Oh yeah.
That'll do it. Lot. They're quite a lot for their size.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bud?
Stabs and things. You were too long. Don't stab your finger.
Hey, I've actually done that once.
I've done it.
It hurts.
It hurts.
I want one with CBO, but
They're nice.
right.
They're kind of, not really.
Yeah.
So, surprisingly easy.
Once we got it in, he's got an oscilloscope
Oscope. Just call it
Oscope.
Oscope.
and gain matched them like the other night. 1 decibel just right.
Gain matching and then you adjust everything off the ZBL after that.
But the ZBO gain matched.
It just, so on the manual it just says you set it at medium and then you have to go through each amp. Set it at the same vintage.
But with
All
the
right.
oscope, you can get the exact. And what does that do for you?
Changes all your gains and stuff like that.
Yeah,
The subsonic and will pass.
Yeah.
So you don't have to mess with each individual one.
Okay. But you do that first, right?
On the amps you set, what is it, low pass, subsonic all the way down, low pass all the way up. And then the ZBL does everything for you.
Nice.
It's a little confusing. It's just a little bit.
So I know you've done it before, but tell me who you are and what you got.
Tom Humphreys, and I got 8 DS18-15s
On
on 4 8Ks.
4 8Ks. I bet you're getting quite a bit more than 8K.
Well, no,
We don't know. We'll find out. Which one are you doing right now? Just
USAC qualifying rounds. Lane
took
2,
my paper.
Thomas
The
Humphreys, super modified class.
super modified.
Yeah, that one.
And then gonna do a high and hard.
Competitors
and then
stand
I'll
by.
come back for the street view.
You doing it sealed up even?
Well, there.
Does it do pretty good seal too?
Ready.
We've never tried.
Set. Go.
Max's does really good sealed up, surprisingly.
What?
20
53.2?
seconds.
My volume's not up on my phone.
10 seconds.
What? 61.4?
5, 4,
He's got 1 amp
3,
clamp
2.
and 73.38 on power. So that times 4.
Is my time up already?
You want to do it again?
My phone wasn't up.
Oh. Your what?
My volume wasn't went up on my phone.
Oh, cool. Well, you got a rerun. Unfortunately, that first one still pretty loud, but
Not loud enough.
not loud enough.
Are these 8Ks too? Damn. Okay.
Good power
That-
on them.
yeah. Oh my god.
Official qualifying scores. Lane 2. Thomas Humphreys. Super modified. 161.4 dB. Competitors stand by.